Hello, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new leads from the Google Lead form to the Webhooks system you need. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new leads from the Google Lead form to other systems. For example, using a webhook, you can send these leads to the system you need, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select one of the sources from which you want to receive new data. In this case, choose Google Lead form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from the Google Lead form. In this case, choose Webhooks. At this stage, we need to connect the Google Lead form account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give a name to this account or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now we copy the URL for receiving data and go to the Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section and go to the Assets section. Now select the necessary lead form from which we want to receive new leads. In the lead form settings, go to the Integrations section. Paste the copied URL. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After that, click Send Test Data. Next, click Save and return to your personal account, Save My Leads. After that, click Continue. At this stage, we need to create a virtual Webhooks account in the Save My Leads system. In this window, you must specify the URL for sending data. In order to get it, you need to generate this URL on the system where you want to send webhook data. I will show how this is done using the Chorizoid system as an example. In order to generate a new webhook, I create a new process. Next, I click on Start and copy the webhook via JSON. This is the URL that new leads from the Google Lead form will come to. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Now I need to create variables that will be sent to Chorizoid via webhook for each new lead from the Google Lead form. You can specify what exactly these variables should be in the support of the system in which you want to send data via webhook. In order to assign a variable from the Google Lead form, click in the field and select it from the drop-down list. After the values of the variables are specified and the variables from the Google Lead form are assigned, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of data that will be sent to the system you need via webhook, in this case Chorizoid, with each new lead from the Google Lead form. If something does not suit you, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Webhooks. After successful submission, go to Chorizoid and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from the Google Lead form to be instantly transferred to the system you need via webhook, you need to enable auto update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do it in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.